Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to add timestamps on YouTube. So first, you need to click the create icon at the upper right corner and click upload video. And then upload your video on YouTube. So after you choose and upload a video on YouTube, you can now enter a timestamps via typing at the description box. Example, type 00 double colon 00 and then the message of that timestamps, and then enter the following. Then after that, click next or choose first. Yes, it's made for kids, example. Then click next until you see or until you save your YouTube video. So enter the following like save or publish, then choose private or unlisted or public, and then click save. And that's it. That's how to add timestamps on YouTube. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the icon to notify you to our next tutorial.